70 hertz per minute. 5 seconds. Start. Friends, I am here in this university after a long time. We have been separated not only by distance of time, but also by a distance of spirit and outlook. I have accepted the offer of your Vice Chancellor with measure, for I desire to meet you all and to see into your minds and let you have a look on my own mind. You have to understand one another, and if we cannot agree about everything, we must agree to differ and know where we agree and where we do not. We are facing great difficulties, and the future appears to be more difficult. I wish to say that, notwithstanding everything, I have a firm belief in our future. For if I did not have that hope, I would not have been able to work effectively. I do not see any reason to change our main objective, that is to build up a free India of high principles and great objectives, where all people have equal opportunities and responsibilities. I am proud of India not only because of her rich cultural heritage, but also because of her remarkable power to add to it. We may follow different faiths, but that does not take away from the cultural spirit of ours. We have experienced the bad effects of communalism. For my part, I do not like the introduction of this communal spirit anywhere in our country and anywhere in the world, and at least in our schools and colleges. I think that this university should begin some courses on our cultural heritage so as to develop understanding of the same among our boys and girls in higher educational institutions. A good number of books could also be published in this behalf, which can further the cause greatly. We are glad. I hope to be with you at the Industrial Trade Fair on the 3rd of this month. But I fear I have too much work to do to be in a position to leave station for a week. I can manage to get off for a day or two. However, I shall take you my plan by tomorrow morning. Thank you for the copy of the book showing names of industrial houses keeping their stall in the fair. By the way, I think you may like to know of a new book on Indian steel industry. It will be ready by November end. I think it should be of much value to you. Thanking you. You are very truly